Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can fix the FPS drop while gaming on our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that, we will be doing two methods to fix the issue. So the first one is to disable the game DVR via registry editor. So please open the registry editor. You can just make a search here in the Windows search tab and then type registry editor, and then you will get under best match the registry editor option. So once you click on this one, just please click on yes in this user account control window. So once you have already done that, we will be seeing this kind of option here. So let me just quickly minimize everything from here. So once you're already in this kind of window, all you need to do is just to go to the H key current user and then proceed with system. Now once you're already done that, please go proceed with game config store, and then here on the right panel, please locate the game DVR enabled. And then so once you have already found it, just please make a right click on that and then click on this modify button here, and then you will be getting this small window coming up. All you need to do is just to change the value data from 1 to 0. So here we need to change it to 0. Now once you have done that, just please click on OK, and then we need to close the editor. And then here, all you need to do is just to make a quick restart with your device to apply the changes. And after doing that, we need to proceed with the second method if the problem is still not fixed. So we need to disable the game DVR via registry editor, the local machine. So here we need to open again the registry editor. Please make a search again in the Windows search tab, and then we will be getting the same kind of window, such that we will be only going with a different location. So here we need to navigate to H key local machine and then proceed with software, and then go with Microsoft. Here we need to look for Microsoft and go and look for policy manager. So let me just quickly go with policy manager. Once you're ready in this one, all you need to do is just go to the default option, and then here we need to look for application management. So just scroll down and look for my application management option. Here we need to locate allow DVR, allow game DVR, just like this one. Now once you have already found it, all you need to do is just to make a right click on this one, and then here we need to click on modify. So please go to the allow game DVR option and then click on modify if you're seeing the modify option. So since I'm not getting that modify option here, I'll be needing to click here again, apply application management, and then expand it, and then here we need to click on allow game DVR. Here we will be going now to the value option, and then please make a right click on that and then click on this modify button here, and then we need to click on the value data and set it to 0. So from 1, set it to 0, and then once you're done with this one, just please click on OK. And then once you have done that, just please close this window, all of this window here, and then we need to make a quick restart with your device to apply the changes. Okay, so these two registry tweaks can help eliminate the FPS drops in games, and after doing that, I'll be certain that your FPS drop while gaming will now be fixed. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.